Hey y'all, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking onto my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Thank you. Okay. Today, make sure you guys shop my website. LaShawn V Lux. Period. Okay, so today I'm going to be coming to y'all with a new product that I'm launching on my brand, on my website, and it's going to be jumbo glitters. So you're going to need gloves, glitters, containers. I picked up my containers from Amazon. I ordered them. They're the 5G containers. I picked up my glitters. I'm going to put it in the description box below. Just make sure that it's cosmetic grade glitters and test out all your products, especially if you're hand making them. This right here is Aries. Yes, it's just diamond, so it's just pretty. And it is a fine mix and chunky jumbo glitter. So it's a fine glitter and a jumbo glitter mix. So this is basically what I do. I'm going to be launching these glitters December 25th on Christmas. So hopefully I have this up by then. Yes, it's very messy. So I use the white paper on the bottom. I just use an old piece of printer paper or something so I could collect it and put it back in there because we save, recycle, reuse, period. So we're just going to make a big ass mess right now, and we're going to stuff these, fill them up. I'm not stingy at all. I want my girls to get the most product possible. This could be used on your eyes with glitter glue or without. I test all my own products first before, giving them, for selling them. I'm so excited. These are so pretty. So if you guys have another way that I can easily and faster, do this faster, put a comment down below. And if you are a Aries baby, put the Aries emoji down below. So we're just going to fill them up, twist them. Make sure you have your gloves, bacterial wipes, a spoon, a bowl, and some type of paper so that I could collect the rest of it. We're going to twist those up. And make sure you guys shop www.LaShawnVLux. I have an eyeshadow palette. I have 25 mink lashes. I also have a highlighter palette. It's super bomb, and there's 4 shades in one. So you're able to have a different range. And follow me on Instagram. My personal Instagram is Nia the Bombshell. And follow my business Instagram, LaShawn V Lux, period. So we're just going to clean up everything. I don't want to waste any product. And we're just going to keep on going. Being an entrepreneur is like it's gratifying. Okay, so we're going to take the makeup wipes and we're going to disinfect everything. We're going to wipe off the tubes. We're going to wipe off around our area before we go into the next glitter. Oh yeah, also I like to use wooden sticks, honestly, because I make my own lip glosses, so I have those already, and it's just an easier cleanup. But I would do plastic spoons also. And when you make your glitters, you just want to write down a ratio, like how I did my fine glitters and my chunky glitters. I just write down like 2 tablespoons of chunky, 1 tablespoon of fine glitter, something like that. You just want to get a good ratio. Just don't throw it all in there. I mean, you can, it's your brand, but we're not doing that over here. And once again, period, shop LaShawn V Lux. I'm so excited. I use this glitter. I went to a sneaker ball. I'm in the Pittsburgh area if you're around here. And I used this glitter and it was a hit. Everybody loved it. So you guys are going to love it. It's not heavy. Excuse me. It's not heavy. And it's very light. So this one is 412, black and gold, black and yellow, period. It's funny because Pittsburgh people really don't even sing that song until we're like out of town, and then everybody's just like black and yellow, black and yellow. But black and gold, this is a fine gold glitter mix with a medium grade black. And it's so pretty, and it's not heavy at all. I love it. It doesn't burn your eyes or anything. I mean, don't get glitter in your eyes, but if it does get in there, you don't have to be like worried. I would just use cold water or a makeup wipe, honestly. We not wasting no product over here, so the white paper is just going to collect up everything. Sometimes I switch out the paper. Sometimes I just dust it off. And we're just going to do the same thing as before. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like. If you like stuff like this, let me know what you want to see some more. As you see, I just was wiping off the containers, just trying to get as much glitter off as possible. I had bought a package off someone, and it was some glitters, and it was a mess. So I'm not trying to have that for you guys. Next, my stickers. I ordered them from Avery right off my phone. It took a little bit of time, maybe about an hour, but these are the ones on top. Make sure you measure your containers. I caught myself measuring them, so I got the top, just the logo stickers on for the top. It is it says 0.75, I believe, so at half an inch. And then the bottom ones are 3/4. The bottom ones are perfect, but the top ones, I wish they were a little bigger. But I know this isn't a full inch. I didn't want it to be too big. So we just work with what we have as entrepreneurs. But I know moving forward, I think I want my top labels to be a little bit bigger. Avery took about a week to deliver. You know, everything with the pandemic, that was fine. So we're just going to put the labels on the bottom of it. So cute. So we're just going to put the labels on the bottom of the stickers. At the bottom of the containers. So, branding is key. Honestly, I don't want to lie to you guys. I don't remember how much. I want to say total. I got a lot. So I think total was $50, and I received 3 full pages of the top logos, and then 2 full pages of each labels. And I have 4 different glitters. So I have Aries, 412, Cayenne, and direct deposit, and I have 2 full pages. The pages that you see, I have 2 full pages of those, and so it was about $50. I think that's pretty reasonable. It's not a bad investment for the glitters. How much you think I should charge for the glitters, you guys? Like, what would be a reasonable price? So you see, so I ordered the containers from Amazon wholesale. I ordered the stickers, but I will need to order more stickers. And then the glitters. The glitters came up to about $60 also. I'll say about $53. At a mixture of different cosmetic stores. Yes, I'll put it down in the description box below. But go to different places and really see what's fits your brand and the quality that you want to give out. So my glitters was about $60. So how much, as an entrepreneur, all my boss babes, all my boss men out there, how much would you charge for each individual glitter? Or maybe I should do like a bundle, like you get 4. No, we're not going to start off doing that. Maybe after the new year, we'll do something like that. But make sure y'all just keep checking out LaShawn V Lux. Join our emailing list. This is so funny to me. I forgot. Branding is key, sis, okay? Very nice. 412, black and gold. Aries is just diamonds. Comment if you're an Aries. That's our birthstone. And then direct deposit is a fine and chunky glitter. And Cayenne is just a super fine glitter, super pink. And like rose gold. Super pretty. I hope you guys like this. My phone's giving me an issue about posting this up, but I want to make sure I get this up for you guys. And comment the sparkle emoji if you made it all the way to the end. Period. Please comment, subscribe, like, share. I really appreciate it. Period. And remember, happiness is a choice. Always choose happiness and let them hating hoes be mad.